Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make truffle sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 ounce of fresh truffle, a good quality extra virgin olive oil, and a small clove of garlic. A splash of cream or a knob of butter can also enhance the richness. Make sure your truffles are clean and your olive oil is of the highest quality for the best flavor profile. This simple combination forms the base of an exquisite sauce. Now let's get to the preparation. Begin by finely mincing or grating your fresh truffles. The smaller the pieces, the more their incredible aroma will infuse the sauce. Next, gently warm about 2 tablespoons of a good quality olive oil in a small saucepan over low heat. Add a finely minced small clove of garlic to the warm oil and sauté it for about 1 minute until it becomes fragrant, but do not let it brown. This creates a flavorful base. With your aromatic base ready, it's time to bring everything together. Add your finely minced truffles directly into the warm garlic-infused olive oil. Stir gently to combine, allowing the truffle's essence to meld with the oil. For an extra layer of luxury, you can stir in about 2 tablespoons of heavy cream or 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter until it's melted and smooth. Finish with a pinch of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Your exquisite truffle sauce is now complete. Your delicious homemade truffle sauce is ready to elevate any dish. It's absolutely perfect served over fresh pasta, scrambled eggs, or a creamy risotto. You can also drizzle it over roasted vegetables or a warm piece of crusty bread for a simple yet elegant appetizer. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days to maintain freshness. And hey, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.